Welcome to Saitechinfo channel, my dear students, parents, and friends. Sai Gautam is going to show his career showcase on electronics and communication engineering. Over to Sai Gautam.
So, good evening, guys. I'm Sai Goutham from Standard 11 in from Saitechinfo. So, today I'm going to uh, explain you about the career showcase on the electronics and communication engineering. So, first, in the overview, we'll see the basic skills set required for this career. Then, why I have choose this career to achieve in my life, and next courses in graduation, premier institutes for selected courses, entrance exams and selection procedure, my career plan to achieve the goal, how I am going to apply my career in this society. Uh, at last, I will give the web or book references for you to further on it. So first, we'll see about the basic skill sets required for this. So the top skills you should maintain compulsory is first complex problem solving skills and methodological mind. So this improves for of your thinking skills, which requires more for this course. Next is critical thinking. So for making an electronic gadgets and communication gadgets, you must require more thinking capacity. Third is strong interest in technology. For choosing this course, you should have more interest in the technological way. That is, you should have interest in this. Nowadays, we are using more gadgets, so we should have more interest that how to make these gadgets and how these are made. And fourth is communication. So, as we have in this course communication also, so we must be having communication skills very strong. Then IT skills. IT skills is nothing but the way which is used to make this electronic gadgets. So as the some few terms which are related to the electronic devices that and all will be more strong. Then presentation skills. If you make a particular electronic thing, you should be able to present it in a way which will be helpful for you and which is easy for you. So now we'll see next one. That is why I have chosen field in my life. So first is it provides various benefits in our life. So as nowadays the electronic gadgets is more useful, and this is very developing. So it will be more helpful for you if you learn in this field. Next is the things which we use daily. The gadgets is made of using this course. So by using the electronic and communication things, this laptops, mobiles, and all are using, it will be used further in the future also. Then we can learn many things using this, such as how to handle the laptop, how to handle the electronic gadgets. That few things and all we can learn from this course. Then this branch provides us freedom. That freedom is to do in hardware and software fields. So the this course is mainly so important for entering into hardware and software fields, as both the field includes the electronic and communication systems only. So like next we'll see courses in graduation level. When you enter to the graduation level, first you'll see about embedded system design. So this is to if you make a system in this, so you should able to know that how it is being designed. So next are the two courses, which is CCNA, that Cisco Critical National Associate and Cisco Certified Network Professional. These two are chosen by the students who learn this course. Then embedded Linux and embedded hardware, embedded testing, and C programming, etc. So you should be strong in all this to make electronic things. So next is the Premier Institute for course. If you clear this course and if you go for want further studies, then I means the institutes which are available to you to study and this and get good jobs is first is it includes all the IITs, that is Indian Institute of Technologies, then SRM University of Science and Technology, then DIT University which is in Dehradun, then BITS and all types of NIT and Anna universities. So all these are these are the top colleges you will get for this course. So next is the entrance exam and select procedure. So first is you should clear JEE mains in JEE advanced. Then we know the GATE exams, which many of them write for this, and BCEC exams. This is nothing but BCEC exam is Bihar Combined Entrance Competitive Examination, and JEC means Jharkhand Engineering Entrance Competitive Exams, and many are there such as this. But these main important for this entrance exams to choose this career. And the selection procedure is it will be based on the marks and the ranks achieved in these entrance exams and the cutoffs. So next is the my career plan to achieve this goal. That is first practicing more about this goal. That is to improve myself in the technological way and learn more things about this electronic gadgets and all. And second, attending the exam. As we discussed in the previous slide, we have to try uh, all exams which are related to course. Next, spending more time to study to achieve seats in top colleges. If you study more related to your course, that is focusing on that, you may get the colleges in your life. Then, modeling new inventions based on this course. If you start learning this course, you must be able to build new inventions. That is, building more new gadgets also. Working hard to achieve goals. If you work hard in this field, then you get a big success. Next is how am I going to apply my career in this society? So if I qualify well in this course, then I will be inventing new electronic gadgets. So as we are using more technological gadgets, I wish to create more new gadgets and electronic gadgets which are easy to handle, carry, work. So with the new which I will be implementing some more new technology. Then I will be produce more easy way to communication. Nowadays, few things are there in which is little difficult in communication with. So I will be trying to make that communication way little easy by using the nowadays technology and communication ways. And now electronic and communication is more developing. So it is benefit when we make the process little easy. So as it is developing, if you make something little easy in this, then you may success very well, and this would be helpful for further more people in this. Next, these are the web pages I told you about. The four links in which I have searched this, all the things. Uh, if you want to try again, so you go to these links and study it further for better knowing, better understanding for all the course. Thank you. Thank you, sir.